Aloha, my name is Iinuma. I'm a student at Leeward Community College. I'm born and raised Honolulu, Hawaii. I want to be in some kind of law enforcement agency, whether it be the Honolulu Police Department or the sheriffs or customs, any kind of law enforcement. My essay is about energy sustainability in the state of Hawaii. This essay was from a class project for Professor King. We could write anything about the island of Hawaii, but I chose energy sustainability because Professor King is very adamant about sustainability in Hawaii, and I am too. And because of my background as an Eagle Scout, I've done many campings, or maybe years of camping, and then I see the full potential that Hawaii has to offer with the renewable green energy that Hawaii can provide.